After the launch of the Realme 2, Realme is all set to launch another smartphone in India. The company has already shared press invites for the September 26th and 27th, where it's expected to take the wraps off the Realme 2 Pro. While not much is known about the forthcoming smartphone, Realme has shared promotional video where one can spot the unannounced smartphone making its appearance more than once. While there's no way to ascertain that the phone is being used in the ad is the upcoming smartphone. Considering that the launch is scheduled next week, it's likely to be the Realme 2 Pro. The video clearly shows the Realme 2 Pro with an all-display facial and the dual rear camera. What catches one's attention is the fact that the handset features a water-top style notch for a high screen-to-body ratio. Reminding you of the Oppo F9 and F9 Pro, the rear panel seems to have a glass layer and a horizontally stacked camera module at the top right corner, along with the center-aligned fingerprint sensor and Realme branding at the bottom. Lastly, the device can be spotted in black, blue, and white color option during the course of the video. Sadly, the video has not highlighted any of the specs of the Realme 2 Pro. That said, we can expect the Pro variant to offer upgraded specs when compared to its siblings launched last month. The Realme 2 retails in the country for a starting price of Rs 8,990 and sports a notch-dotting 6.2-inch display with HD Plus resolution. For imaging, the smartphone ships with 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel cameras on the rear and an 8 megapixel selfie shooter. The handset is backed by a beefy 4230 mAh battery.
How do I define this youth? Oh, I'm power and passion. I'm limitless and fearless. The one who dares to stand out and leave the world behind. I'm open to be seen and show you my real me. This youth is too precious to waste in mediocrity. It's a journey to seek the exquisite, the ultimate style. To find, to create, to dream, and keep it real. I'm my own captain, cause I obey my own rules. I'm my own coach, cause every gene pushes me forward. I'm my own star, cause wherever the stage is, I could shine in my style. I'm unafraid of ceaseless desire. Every moment I want more. When power meets style, I know this is what I deserve, the best. I'm a conqueror, a game changer. I'm a winner. I'm proud to be young. This is the real me. I am real me.
So guys, what do you think about this? Share your thoughts and views in the comment section below. And yeah, peace.